What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find Polygon address in MetaMask wallet. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly view or get your Polygon address here in MetaMask? Well, this one is pretty simple. So currently I'm accessing my MetaMask account here via my browser, but obviously you can go and access this on your extension as well. So in this case, the steps are going to be pretty much the same thing. As you can see, it's the same UI. So if you're using your mobile device, the steps are going to be the same. So yeah, what we need to do is we want to go to the specific section here that says mainnet. So by default, MetaMask here has Ethereum, or is using the Ethereum mainnet here. But if you click on it, there are going to be different networks or chains that you can access here. So that includes Polygon. So you want to scroll down a bit here. You want to look for Polygon mainnet. Just click on add. And from here, it's going to say we want to add this network. Just click on approve. And once you approve that, as you can see, we are now using the Polygon mainnet. Now, what you could do is you could just basically view the tokens for it. So we are using the Polygon mainnet now. Let's go open up POL here, which is Polygon. And from here, what you could do is you could go ahead and just basically click on the receive button here, and you should be able to see your address. So you could just click on copy in this one and start sharing this on whatever platform or to anyone that you want to receive crypto or tokens from. But yeah, so just before doing this, just make sure that Polygon mainnet is selected at the top left here. So if you do see Polygon mainnet, you're now using the Polygon mainnet. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.